Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows an early first trimester twin pregnancy. You can see the uterus having a gestation sac in the distal portion of the uterine cavity, and a tiny umbilical vesicle is visible. You can see the tiny umbilical vesicle. Now you can see the gestation sac and a small umbilical vesicle. Now you can see a small fetal pole as well. This is the umbilical vesicle. The frequency of multiple pregnancies is increasing day by day. Cynologists must know that correct, accurate, and timely determination of gestation age, chorionicity, and amnionicity, as it has a significant importance in the management of a multiple pregnancy. Now you can see a small fetal cardiac activity is visible. You can see with the naked eye fetal cardiac activity is visible. Now you are going to see the fetal cardiac activity. The cardiac activity is visible and audible. Dichorionic has totally different surveillance, complications, outcome, morbidity, and mortality as compared to monochorionic pregnancy. Now, a major role in the incidence of multiple pregnancies is due to the progress of reproductive technologies and in vitro fertilization. Now you can see both the gestation sac Now, as you have seen, a small umbilical vesicle and fetal pole in the first gestation sac seen on the right side of the screen. Now you are going to see the umbilical vesicle and fetal pole now in the other sac. Now you can see a small umbilical vesicle seen. Now you can see a tiny fetal pole as well. Now, in fact, the twin comprises about 3% of all live births in the United States. The majority of the cases of multiple pregnancies that occurred in the past were diagnosed during the intrapartum period. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity of the other fetus. The majority of these cases of multiple pregnancies that occurred in the past were diagnosed during the intrapartum period. Today, as the use of the ultrasound has become a routine in daily medical practice, multiple pregnancies are diagnosed much earlier by the ultrasound scan. It is well established that ultrasound scan is more than necessary to define chorionicity, amnionicity, and gestational age. Now you can see fetal pole and the umbilical vesicle in the second gestation sac. So, as the blood flow is not visible, the pregnancy measures about 6 weeks. A twin pregnancy can either be dizygotic, that is 2/3 of twin pregnancies, or this type dizygotic, in which two different eggs are fertilized by two different sperms. And in this case, the pregnancy is always chorionic, diamniotic, or monozygotic. A monozygotic pregnancy occurs when an egg is fertilized by one sperm, producing one embryo, which can split anytime, more commonly between day 2 to day 13 after fertilization. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity of the second gestational sac. In the second gestational sac, the number of gestation sacs and the number of fetal heartbeats in early multiple pregnancy scan are strongly related with chorionicity. Each gestation sac will form a distinct placenta and chorion. Therefore, visualization of a single gestation sac with two visible heartbeats indicates that monochorionic twin pregnancy, while presentation of two distinct gestation sacs, as in this case, implies a dichorionic pregnancy. The number of gestation sacs is the parameter with the highest accuracy to define chorionicity, which is extremely close to 100%. Now you can see the duration of the pregnancy, and it comes about 6 weeks 4 days. Now you can see both the gestation sacs and both the umbilical vesicles, and I will try to show you both the fetal poles. The earlier your doctor would likely order a ultrasound confirming twin would be 4-week pregnancy. Women who have gone through fertility treatment or have early complications may be able to have an early twin ultrasound at 4 or 5 weeks pregnancy and find out whether the pregnancy has twins. You can find some important information in the description of this video. You can see the gestation age 6 weeks and 6 weeks 1 day respectively. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.